Hello everyone, welcome back to MachineStation. Today we have the Okuma ES-L10. This machine has a 12-station turret, a 10-inch Kitagawa hydraulic chuck. It has one Touch IGF Programming, a chip pan, chip conveyor, hydraulic tailstock with powered Quill. The list goes on, but I'll go ahead and list all the specs in the description below so we can take a look at the machine. Well, there you all have it, the Okuma ES-L10. If you have any more questions at all, call us at 909-919-9600 or jump onto our website. It's www.machinestation.us. Like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.